Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about output configuration. Okay, so open your preferences, Command, comma, and right now I just have it set to my MacBook Pro speakers. I'm going to switch that to my Universal Audio Thunderbolt, and I'll set the input as well. Notice I have it set to external out, 1, 2. I want to output these to 3 and 4 on my audio interface. As you can see, it's not available, so I'm going to click Configure. That's going to open my preferences. And just under where you set your output device, hit Output Configuration. You have your mono outputs on the left and your stereo outputs on the right. Hit OK. And now when I go to output these, I'll have access to all of those mono and stereo outputs. 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then all of them individually as well. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we could talk about next.